Cut this thread. That'll finish the first lap. We take off the marker. Draw in the position of the marker buckle. Tension coil. Hook a standing pin. The second circle is made up of 3 pins. Adding a needle is a needle that hooks to short needles. Now we begin to hook. The first one to add the needle. Marking buckle. Put another short needle in the same eye. That'll finish the first stitch. And then there are 2 more. We'll finish it together. This is the second. The third. That's the end of the second loop. We take off the marker. Draw in the position of the mark buckle. Tension coil. Hook a standing pin. Here we can reverse it, because this is the face. The third lap is made up of 3 groups. 1 short stitch and 1 plus stitch. That's 9 stitches. Hook the first short needle where the lead is drawn. Marking buckle. One more stitch. It's 2 stitches in the same eye. A short needle. One plus pin. A short needle. One plus pin. That's all 3 sets. And the third round is done. Remove marker buckle. Pull at the mark button to finish the circle. Hook a standing pin. The fourth circle is made up of 9 short pins. On the mark buckle, hook the first short needle where the lead is drawn. Marking buckle. Keep ticking down. There are 9 short needles in total. That'll finish the 4th lap. Remove the marker and pull out. Tensioning. If you want to sew up your body later, just leave a little more line. If you want to stick it on, don't leave too much thread. Stop line. And sew the thread on if you don't leave it. You can rub the thread in. This will finish the year hook. Everybody hook another one, because it needs to be a couple. Now let's hook up. The hands and feet are the same. We need 4 of them. Now let's do the first loop. The first loop is 6 short pins. The first short stitch. Marking buckle. Second pin. The 3rd short pin. The 4th short pin. The 5th short pin. The 6th short needle. Pull the coil tight. See which wire is moving and pull which one. Pull this one tight first. Pull this line again. Disconnection. The first hook is over. We take off the marker. Mark the location of the buckle. Pull to end the circle. Tension wire. And hook a standing pin. The second lap is made up of 3 groups. A short needle, a plus needle composition. That's 9 stitches. Now let's go ahead and check the first group. Make the first stitch here on the draw. Marking buckle. 1 more stitch. To add a needle is to hook 2 short needles in the same eye. This is the first group. There are actually 2 more groups. Let's finish it. A short needle. 1 plus pin. A short needle. 1 plus pin. That's a total of 9 stitches. The second loop is over. We take off the marker. End of drawing. Tension coil. Hook a standing pin. The third lap is now gain, now loss. 9 short needles. Let's make the first stitch. Hook the first short pin at this point of the draw. Marking buckle. Second pin. The third short pin. Always hook 9 short pins. Nine short hooks are done. Remove marker buckle. Draw in the position of the marker buckle. Tension wire. Same thing if you have to sew them later. Just leave the line a little longer, if not needed. If you just use the viscose, just leave a shorter line. Then disconnect. Hide the thread. I cut all this so I can use the glue later. So I don't leave that much. Then hide the thread. That's the end of one leg. We need to hook 4 in total. Let's hook up the other 3.